Hi, it's Sam Manor from Little Toyota Restraints. Today we're down at Clara. I'm here with Tom, and he's from, we're going to give a shout out for him, from Crossroads Plumbing. He looks after the upper North Shore. Is that right, Tom?
That's correct.
Yeah, North Shore. Check the number out. If you want some plumbing done, call this guy. Okay, so he's top bloke, young, starting out in business and doing really well. Anyway, Tom's given us a call. He's having his second child. He's got a 2-year-old. He's got a space cab, no anchor points. And as you know, with the Toyota HiLux, no anchor points in them. So we want to establish the anchor points in them. So what are we about to do? Like other previous videos that we've done, it's a DCA, it's a dual cab anchor device. Now don't let that fool you. DCA dual cab anchor device. I know it's a space cab, but it's the only device the engineers allow to go into these vehicles. So come in and have a look at this. So you get a cover. This replaces the headrest, as you can see here. At the back over here, you got the headrest, so we have to take the headrest off and put this headrest back on here. This is only a rubber headrest, which you'll probably never use, but we put it on anyway. So this is the DCA. So I just want to show you how it actually is used. So it's got the 2 pins here, that raises up, and then that's a slider, and then you've got the loading point. That's your anchor point, that's your loading point. That's where the straps come through, comes up and hooks up. Then you lock it in, press a pin, put down, and there's your loading point. So if you're using, if you've got a HiLux and it's a space cab, and generally everyone knows what my favorite seat is in back of HiLuxes or trucks or single cabs, it's the Maxi Guard. Okay, the Maxi Guard by Britex, it goes from 6 months to 8 years. It's a narrow base. 100% of that seat sits on this space seat, because what's important is that when you put a child seat in any space cab, we need 60% of the child seat to sit on the base here. Okay, so if you don't have it, we can't do it. But just about every space cab we do, we don't have that problem with the Maxi Guard. Well, I hope this information has been helpful. Remember, look up Tom and his plumbing services. Where are you from again?
Clara.
Clara, up in North Shore. Just want to make sure you told that video. Okay, what's the company called?
Crossroads.
Crossroads. Hey, throw the number in. What's the number?
The number is 0447 302 071.
And there you have it. That's Tom, that's Sam, and I hope this information was helpful, and we'll catch you on the next video.
Awesome.